Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase YouTube Shorts RPM. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, here we are on the sports Google articles and this is how we can increase RPMs. And normally it won't be different either on YouTube Shorts or the YouTube uh, videos. So basically here we have suggestions from the YouTube sports articles, and basically this is how you can increase your RPM. And to improve RPM, you should improve your total revenue. And here are the steps to maximize the RPM. And basically you will need to turn on monetization on your shorts, and you can also start adding ads or some other feature like memberships or super chats, and this is for the videos or for uh, the lives, etc. And basically, all we need to do for promoting your shorts, you can simply go to your YouTube studio, and from there you can start managing your uh, content. And basically, we need just to go to content, and you will need just to go to shorts, and from there you can start promoting for the shorts. As you can see here, we have this 3 points icon. We can simply go here and go to promote. And basically, you will be able to start promoting your content by clicking on next, adding your goal, etc. You add your videos and you start adding the target and budgeting, etc. And basically by that you will start having your shorts that will be promoted. Another way to do it is just like to have some more engagement or anything, or you can start promoting some products or whatever uh, feature that you want to use for your shorts. So basically and simply this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.